cities that have this boom. We have Lagos, we have Port Harcourt, we have Ibadan, we have Abeokuta, we have Ogun State, Abeokuta, we have. Hi. It's been a while here. I've been up and about. But yeah, I'm here now. So if you're just coming across my video for the very first time, hi, I'm Sophia James. I bridge the gap between you and the real estate market by creating educative videos to help you make informed decisions in the real estate market. I mean, it's good to be here again. If you're Nigerian living in Nigeria, I mean, you'll agree with me that the economy is currently squeezing every naira, leaving us with thoughts of how there were actually better days than we have now. Prices are skyrocketing, and it's just seeming like our money doesn't stretch as far as anymore. Now, while this might be the case, investors in the real estate market also have the same tales, thoughts, and stories of how some places were sold for quite the sum, and now it's a case of the past and better days. So let's say you save up and you're ready to invest in the real estate market. Here are 5 tips you should consider before investing in the real estate market. Come on, let's dive in. The first on my list is to ensure you carry out your due diligence. I mean, have full understanding of the market before you take the step of investing. This is more like an advice. I consider it the utmost tip. I mean, carry out your research. Make sure you know what you're getting into before you invest in any property at all. This is because the times are not smiling and your hard-earned money should not be thrown out of the window. The market here can be very complex when it comes to legalities like title registration, land use regulation, and environmental laws. In recent times, government have made efforts to improve transparency and streamline land registration processes. However, as I would always advise, caution is still required. Many investors have faced setback due to land ownership hassles, unverified title documents, and poorly documented transactions. The second on my list, which is a top on my list, is location. Location. This is the biggest determinant in any real estate investment. Currently, certain cities are experiencing rapid growth as a result of urbanization, population growth, infrastructural development, and government policies around those cities. And so investing in growing cities and emerging markets is your best bet. Now, this will lead me to my third tip. This became a tip as a result of conversations I have had with prospects and clients over time. Most of them did not have the idea, or they didn't really understand what this was before reaching out to make an investment. So it was more like a light shed, and then knowing this, they went forward to make their investment and all of that. So I'm bringing it here to every intending investor, and this is none other than do not overlook the affordable cities. I mean, there's this saying, buy the bush, sell the city. There is money in the bush. I think we've reached a place, take for instance Ekpe. I think we've reached a place in Ekpe right now where if you were given an offer of Ekpe, there is no saying like Ekpe is far, because judging by the development, constant development in Ekpe, and I don't think you should see Ibadan and still think that's the brown roof city. It is no longer the brown roof city. Looking at the industrialization drive in those places, Nigeria is a country with a large and growing population, and as a result of this, cities are likely going to become more congested, and people will always need places to live. The urbanization in most of those cities that have potential growth now will be the next stop for anyone looking to get a place to live. Lagos, because I feel like we'll soon get to that stage in Lagos where all the lands will be bought, and lands will be bought, houses will be built on them, and there will be no longer space. So we're moving out of Lagos to places like Ibadan, Ogun State, and all of that. Leading up to the fourth tip is as a result of the volatile nature of the real estate market. The real estate market is one dynamic market with a lot of options. But yeah, to get the best out of the real estate market, I would advise that with careful consideration, you diversify your investment portfolio. I mean, there are a lot of options. Example is the REITs, and that is the Real Estate Investment Trust. This is a form of investment that allows you to buy shares in real estate portfolios that generate income, such as shopping malls, office buildings, without directly owning these properties. This provides a way to invest in the real estate market with lower capital. I hope to make a video on ways you can invest in the real estate market. That could be my next video. And as soon as I make the video, I'll come back to drop the link so that you can refer to it and have a full breakdown of ways you can invest properly in the real estate market. But another example of ways you can invest in the real estate market is the short-term rentals. This is popular in tourist cities like Lagos, Abuja, PH, and all of them. So this is basically renting out properties, furnished properties or homes for short stays. For example, during the December time, we'll have short lets out. Most of them are even out before December. The idea is so that people come, furnished apartment, people come in, pay you, stay in your house, and that's just like another form of making money. We also have the land banking, which involves buying a property in an undeveloped area with growth potential to sell or to keep for a period of time and then sell when the property's value has appreciated. In the real estate market, there's also the buy and flip option, whereby you buy old or probably distressed properties, you buy them and then renovate these properties or probably complete the building process, and then you put it up for sale. Could be on rental basis or a one-time sell-off. There's also the option of direct property ownership, where you decide to buy residential or commercial properties. As their name implies, residential, that's you buy a property for the purpose of renting out for someone to live in and then pay you, that's regular income. Or commercial, whereby you buy a property and then lease out to probably a bank, a mall, and all of that, and you get your return on your investment the same way. Each of these options are beneficial in the end, with their unique risk levels, investment amounts, and then return on investment. All it will take you, just like anyone tending to go into anything, is the end result, the goal. So your goal will best help you to choose the best approach of which you would like to enter into the real estate market. My fifth tip, and that's my last tip, would be to work with a reliable and dependable source. Whatever it is, be it a company, be it a realtor, be it an agent, be whatever the source is, make sure it is dependable and reliable. By partnering with a reliable source, for instance, a realtor, would help you make informed decisions and give you access to valuable opportunities. And this would also ensure smoother and more secure experience when investing. So there you have it. 5 smart tips to help you get started in Nigeria's dynamic real estate market, from your choice of location to understanding the market and carrying out your due diligence to exploring the diverse investment options. These tips have been designed to help you make informed and more profitable decisions. If you found this video very helpful, which I am sure you did, please don't forget to drop a like, drop a comment of how you'll be making use of this information. And if you love to get content like this, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on content like this. Hit the subscribe button. Come on, hit the subscribe button and you're welcome. And lastly, feel free to share this with anyone you think this video will be of help or of benefit to. Feel free to share this video to them. Thank you for watching, and until I come your way again, catch you in the next video.